Okay, so it's early morning, 5:51 a.m. I'm in the office, and we have successfully connected the ASI. I've got the observatory roof open, pointed at Saturn, and we are connected to the ASI air via this IP address here, 192.168.1.109. And I'm running BlueStacks, which is an Android emulator. And here's a live preview of Saturn. You can see the histogram. If we try to move this, you can see it's actually moving. I'm controlling it from the mouse. So yeah, I'm in the office, man. This is unreal. So we can let's capture something. Let's get it on. It's on 480p. We will adjust the exposure time. Let's brighten it up a bit. You can see the histogram changes when you do that, right? About there. Just hide the histogram and hide that. And let's capture. And you can see the timer is ticking off here, 5 seconds, and the frame rate, 11 frames per second. The beautiful thing is I'm sitting in a warm room with a heater. So it's actually connected via a Cat5 cable. So I've got in the office a PC connected to a wall outlet. That wall outlet goes to a cupboard. The cupboard contains the modem, and that's got its own little switch on it. And from there I've patched it through to another Cat5 that goes underground out to the garage. It goes into a hub, into another switch, which then goes off to the observatory. So it works rather good. So I've gotten some live, you can see the Cassini division tonight quite well. So that's pretty cool. Let's stop that and go and have a look at that video. Now we should be able to go into our image management, and it should be sitting in here somewhere. It's a bit slow because it's emulating. And then under video, I've captured some Jupiter tonight, but this is the one we just did, right? 1 minute and 5 seconds. Let's copy that. How do you save it? I wonder if we can access the network this way. It's not appearing in the list. Should be ASI Air in here. I wonder if we can do it from a browser. 192.168. 1.109. Nah, can't do it through the browser. I used to be able to transfer through here, but for some reason ASI. Anyway, I guess we'll just go back here. Looks like BlueStacks crashed. It's going to try and reopen it. Fucking Windows update. It's trying to do an update. This is something else I'm working on. What's going on with BlueStacks? Okay. Come on. It's still in the eyepiece. Still in the field of view. I don't know how to slow down the RA speed. It's at 12 times, but yeah, should be able to. Wish I could put it on one speed. Let's try 720p. This will be a little bit smaller, but it will be a little bit easier. Actually, let's check the focus. Okay, so this is the focus. I'm just going to have to, I wonder if I can change the exposure time on that. Point 0.1. 0.5. Let's get the focuser, and it's on slow. Let's do some adjustments, and we'll use the moon's I think I'm going the wrong way. 19139. Okay, let's stop that. Jump back into video. Let's try 960p because you should be able to. Alright, let's capture some video. The higher the resolution, the lower the frame rate. So, because we're in 960p, which is a resolution of 1280 by 960, the frame rate drops down to about 11 frames per second, but the resolution's higher. So that's 1 minute. Might stop that. And that's been saved. Let's go change the resolution. Let's try. Let's try 720. So now we're capturing at about 14 frames per second with a resolution of 1280 by 720. I'm tempted to do a slew to Jupiter, but I've got no way to tell if the cables will snag out there because I haven't got a security camera out there. I guess that's my next. Now that I've got the ability to control it from the house, I need to put a remote camera in there, CCTV camera, infrared, that can keep an eye on the mount while it's slewing. And then, yeah, we should be able to do complete go-tos from the house and everything. So, I mean, we could try and do a go-to, but it could crash. So And it's not likely to land on the chip either because it's such a. I'm using a TeleView PowerMate, so the scope's native focal length is f6.3, but it's now 4 times that. So, and the camera has a very small CCD chip on it, so the go-tos aren't going to be spot on landing on the chip each time. So you sort of have to be out there to do some manual adjustment. What else can we do? I might actually wrap this video up because it's been a while, but yeah, it works really good. Can control the mount from the house, just do some basic adjustments to the position, which is pretty neat. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.